In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pan in Soundtrap. Panning is how you place a sound in the left or right side of your stereo field, helping your mix feel wider and clearer. Think of it as arranging instruments on a stage. Vocals and bass usually stay in the center, while guitars, keys, and percussion can be spread left and right to create space. With that in mind, let's walk through the exact steps in Soundtrap so you can control where each track sits in your mix. First, head to the Soundtrap website. Once you're on the home page, click Log In. On the sign-in screen, choose Login with Google. Select your Google account to continue. If you're prompted for permissions, accept them so Soundtrap can open your workspace. Don't worry, we won't share or display any personal account details here. After you're logged in, click Studio to open the main Creator workspace. This is where your tracks live and where you'll do all your editing. Inside the Studio, select the track you want to edit. You can click directly on its track header so that it's highlighted and ready for adjustments. Make sure you've picked the specific track whose left-right placement you want to change. Next, click Show Instruments to reveal more options for the selected track. This opens up the panel with the important controls you'll use, including the pan control. If you've ever worked on a mixer, this will look familiar. It's the knob that lets you move the sound between the left and right speakers. Now adjust the pan knob left or right. Turning it to the left places the sound toward your left speaker. Turning it to the right moves it toward your right speaker. The center position is your neutral point, often shown as 0. Make small moves and listen as you go. Subtle panning, around 10 to 30%, often feels natural and keeps your mix balanced. For example, you might pan a rhythm guitar slightly left and a synth pad slightly right to create width without losing focus. A few quick tips while you adjust. Use headphones to hear the movement clearly, then also check on speakers to make sure the balance feels good in the room. Keep essential low-end elements like kick and bass centered for a solid foundation. Avoid extreme panning on critical lead parts unless it's a creative choice. And if something starts to feel lopsided, counterbalance it with another element on the opposite side. That's it. By opening the Studio, selecting your track, showing the instrument controls, and moving the pan knob, you've placed your sound exactly where you want it in the stereo field. Happy mixing.